All right. Helping us out today, we have Peter from Travels with Jordy, which is great because we have a ton of wind today, and so I'm not going to be able to do any fiberglassing, but I can get prepped for fiberglass. We're going to hit that scupper. So I've been doing some sanding all morning, and that's working out, but now we got to go splooge some stuff. I ran out of epoxy, and then finally the new epoxy came in. I want to give a huge shout out to Colin, who sent a donation that helped me buy all of this epoxy, including a little treat for Perry that she's never had yet.
Oh.
Not since I've owned her anyways. And that is actual nice fenders.
Oh, cool.
I went and bought some fenders for her. I'm going to the beach. She'll be at the dock soon, so I figured it's
Gotta
time.
be styling, eh?
It's time to not use little tiny dingy fenders anymore. A big boat needs big fenders. Look at the size of these girls.
Black.
Oh my god. That is a fender. These are... I went budget and got the Sea Choice ones, but finally Perry size fenders. More big fenders for Perry.
Gotta get some wine.
Gotta get the hull looking nice enough to warrant even having fenders, but we'll get there. One step at a time.
Ready?
Yep. Boy! Okay, we will be sealing up the starboard side scuppers today, and to do that I have used one of my squeegees and I've sanded a little shape into it. So this is the style of groove. This is like the gutter on the side of the boat, and it's meant to channel the water away from a walking surface so that when a wave were to break on deck, you'd still have good grip because the water would be off in the gutter as it washes off the boat. So in order to get a nice smooth gutter so that it really moves the water quickly, we want it nice and uniform. So before we even glass it, we're gonna do some fairing and some filling before the glass even touches it. That way, once it's on, it's really on. And then I can get it nice and smooth, and it's in a tight space, so the better I could do this job, the less sanding I gotta do later. All right, scuppers are in and glassed. There's still a little bit of sanding and cleaning, and of course there's always an air pocket or two that I gotta grind out and re-glass. But thank goodness for quick hardening, fast hardening wet systems, because the rain is coming tonight and I really don't want any leaks. In that effort, I'm going to address a couple of small spots I found on the center cockpit area, and then if everything goes right, I should have a dry galley tonight. I really hope so. Let's see. All right, today's dry suit gang. I finally have dive buddies, proper dive buddies. Look at these silly free divers, and now they are officially dry suit scuba divers. I've converted them. We're gonna go hunt some dinner and then we're gonna make it. How many fish are you gonna get?
Well, one, I suppose.
given the regulations. One lingcod.
A million fish.
One ring cod.
And some
I think I'm gonna
scallops.
let the rockfish live
Oh,
today.
I forgot the knife.
I eat the
There's a
rockfish.
gully.
The rockfish.
I'm going straight to the bottom now, baby. I'm fucking scuba.
Yeah, you were gonna let land.
Yeah.
800 feet Erin right here. Here she goes. Did you see all of them running? There were so many.
And actually, I was focused on the fucking nudie breaks and there
Oh man, I must have seen like
starfish.
I must have seen a dozen.
Really?
Make sure you participate in the salmon head recovery.
Yeah.
I would get the tattoo.
It's on the same level and having more steps.
Just enough to scan this glass to make sure it's like not.
Your first, your
Wait. Okay, garnish me.
This is huge for me. I have owned this boat for 3 years and this is the first time it's had like a complete deck. Like day one I started ripping into this deck and yeah, it's taken a minute to get here and it's just a coat of primer. I've got a lot of paint to put on here. I've got more fairing to do. I've done 5 coats of it. I'll probably have to do a 6th. There's a lot of little imperfections. and all the deck hardware needs to be doing. And of course the scuppers are still a mess, so I still have lots of work to do. But look at that, man. I have a deck on a boat. I can't stand on it right now, but I'm very excited.